Have you ever wanted to modify the line item properties on the form as you're adding them to HubSpot? Well, in this video, I'll show you how. Hi, my name is Ryan Schweihart, founder of Wimpact, where I help organizations implement HubSpot and Zapier. In today's Winsight, I'm going to show you how to modify the form for line items and the properties specifically that are displayed on that form. So here we are in HubSpot. We've got our deal record page. If we scroll down to the right, I've got some line item sections here. So let's go ahead and add a line item. Let's select from product library. Let's go down to say services rendered. We'll select add. And this is the form that I'm talking about. If we come in here to edit, and let's say we don't want this prorated amount or the serial number. So this line item information section is where I'd like to modify what's displayed here for users to input. So I'm going to close out of here. Remember, we're removing the prorated amount and the serial number. So I'm going to hop back into settings. Let's go ahead and open in a new tab. So if I come down here to properties and go to line item properties, which is a newer capability to be able to modify at this level. And let's go into groups. This is where we want to modify. So serial number I mentioned, let's just go ahead and choose a new group and let's move it to product line item information, or if you have another group that you want to move it to, feel free to do so. So we'll do that one. And then what was the other one where we're going to modify? Prorated amount. So I'm going to come in here, choose new group property. We're going to move that one to product line item information as well. And then when I come back here to line items, I'm going to refresh this page, reload, select from product library, we'll go down, services rendered, we'll go ahead and modify, edit. You can see that those properties are no longer listed here. So I'd imagine maybe at some point in the future, you'll have more capability to edit and modify this line item form. They're starting to make more strides with line item capabilities within HubSpot. So just wanted to pass that along, came across it, was like, how do I modify with a little bit of clicking and exploring, went down that path, it happened to work. And so I was like, I'd Googled it, couldn't find anything. So I just wanted to share that in case it's helpful. If you need help with this or setting up anything within HubSpot or just want to bounce ideas off of me, I'm happy to be that sounding board. Reach out to me. My contact information is at the bottom of my website. Otherwise, bye for now.